Ugh. I really don't get sick often, and when I do, it's usually for like a day or two. Probably the coronavirus, if we're being honest, but I am sick today. So put your well wishes in the comments, because I'm probably going to die from the latest global pandemic. Do you remember swine flu? Are you guys old enough to remember swine flu? I mean, I know I'm old enough to remember swine flu, but if you're like 6 or 7 years younger than me, you might not remember swine flu. Oh my goodness, I had literally never seen a hand sanitizer dispenser in my life. A month before swine flu and then a month after swine flu, they were on literally every single wall in my school. Then they taught you that you, oh, that was close. Then they taught you that you couldn't cough in your hand, you had to cough in your elbow, and they called it a vampire cough. I was like, I don't know, 12, 13, 14 years old, something like that. Point is, I didn't die of swine flu, so I'm probably not gonna die of the coronavirus. And of course, in all seriousness, I don't have it. I just have a cold or a cough or a cough. What's the combination between a cold and a cough? Whatever that's called, that's what I have. I'm prescribing myself a 3-hour nap, and then, unfortunately, I have stuff to do today, and I don't want to sit at home all day. I feel terrible wasting an entire day sitting at home, so I'll see you guys in like 3 hours. I find it so weird sometimes how different trends work in sneakers. One thing can be super popular and then next month it's not, and then something can go from being completely irrelevant and no one caring about it for the better part of a decade to all of a sudden being the next new trend. It's weird. I don't completely get it, but I want to swing by a certain store today and we'll talk about this some more. If you guys don't know, this is round 2. It's in the Lower East Side, one of the coolest sneaker stores in the city. Lots of you guys always ask, what is a good place to go get shoes? Round 2 is definitely a good place to go get shoes. The people there are awesome, and today we were looking for something in particular. Ooh, look what we got here. You guys remember these? The New Love Jordan 1s pre-owned with box, $160. That's actually not a terrible price for these at all. I know they put out another mid-top black, white, and yellow Jordan 1 this year, except this is the original, this is the classic. I think these retroed in like 2017, which is when I bought my pair, but then I sold my pair. This is actually a pretty good price, but it's a size 13. Whoa, speaking of good prices, these are actually in my size, $150 for these, the Laser Jordan 1s. Not what I was planning on buying today, but this is a pair of shoes I've wanted for a long time. I mean, look how cool these look. These things are freaking amazing. Might have to switch plans a little bit and possibly purchase these. Good, man, how are you? Yes, sir. Awesome. How's it going? Yeah, see ya. To be 100% honest, I was not thinking of buying a pair of Jordan 1s or anything remotely close to a pair of Jordans, but I couldn't pass up on this price. It's a freaking amazing pair of shoes. If I decide I don't want them, this is the beautiful thing, if I decide I don't want them, I can just put them in a mystery box and give them to one of you guys. But I'm like 99.99, I'm pretty sure that I want these. If you guys haven't done the math already and you're still curious about what these are, they put them in a really tiny bag because there's no box. But what an amazing price for a freaking amazing pair of shoes. I mean, they're worn, don't get me wrong, it's not like I'm getting them under retail when they're brand new, but they're realistically probably worn like twice, 3 times, 4 times maximum. The bottom betrays the quality of these. Just clear bottoms look like crap as soon as you wear them, but you look at the creasing, you look at the logos on the inside, like all the logos are still on the inside. The white sock liner on the inside is pristine, and this gets dirty very, very quickly. If you wear any color of socks that's not white, or you have a sweaty foot in here, or whatever the case may be, that looks disgusting pretty quick from experience, and the creasing on the toe box looks pristine as well. So these have been worn like 3 times, absolute maximum. So to get them for $150, let me rip this stupid price tag off if I can. Fun fact, I've bought shoes from round 2 before and worn them with the price tag on the bottom because I'm an idiot and I forgot to take it off and I looked like a fool. Okay, I probably didn't look like a fool, no one could see it because it's on the bottom of the shoe, but still, that's something I've 100% done. Ugh, this is way harder to get off than it. Now it's like, look at it, I just tore like half it off now and it's gonna be even, ugh. Oh man. Why do you do your price tags like this round 2? I know you guys are watching this because 4 of you guys said hi to me in the store today. So talk to your manager, or if you are the manager, better price tags. I'm just kidding, I love you guys, but this is, I mean, it's gonna take 5 minutes to peel off. It's not a huge deal, but come on. Oh, there's another one on this shoe. And that one comes off without any effort at all. Someone explain that to me, please. What year did these come out? That is an amazing question. I wanna say these came out in 2016, which feels like it's very, very recent, except that's 3.5 or 4 years ago, depending on what time of year they came out. I actually want to know for certain. It's crazy how much time flies, especially with sneaker releases. Just, you know, you feel like something just came out and then you look and it was 6 years ago. Jordan 1 Laser. 30th anniversary Jordan 1 Laser. Yeah, 30th anniversary, these things came out in 2015. This is a 5-year-old shoe. I feel like these came out 6 months ago, and these came out 5 years ago. That's absolutely insane. Oh no, you're good. Not too much, $100 bucks. Okay. Yeah. Just making a YouTube video of them. Well, I mean, brand new pairs go for like $220. So I think paying $150, I got a very, very good price to be able to get them in hand. Obviously, you're paying a premium in New York City. So I think $150 for like pristine, worn 2 times realistically condition, I am more than happy to pay. I could have checked StockX before I bought them, and that would have confirmed that I should have bought them, but I just sort of went on an impulse, and I really like these. I'm wearing black jeans right now, so these are not going to look as good as they could, but I'm gonna throw these on feet really quick for you guys since I already worn. I don't care if I get them dirty right now. Let's take a look at these. If you ask me, pretty freaking nice, and also they still have the extra laces sitting inside of them. So as I said, these things are like basically brand new. We're roasting Ari on the subway right now.
I don't want to know or whatever. Just Ari goes to like boxing class. Yeah, with like little girls.
Apparently calling Ari Jewish is bad. Ari.
I got more money for Hanukkah than him, and I'm not even Jewish.
I mean, traffic comes from that direction, so at least you can see the car before it hits you. It's perfectly safe. There's no need to worry at all.
Like right now?
Yeah, wait for the cab first.
Probably wait for the car to move.
Sorry. No, you're fine, you're fine. Sorry. He didn't even die. It's so disappointing when people try it for the first time and they're actually good at it.
Dude, it's not that hard.
Slow down, push it back, the reverse.
Back is reverse.
Yeah,
forward is, and just make sure you're always holding the trigger.
Yeah, you got it.
I get asked by a lot of you guys pretty frequently if Manhattan is safe or not at night, and if New York is a safe place to be. Pretty much, I'd say 90 to 95% of Manhattan is 100% absolutely, completely safe. I mean, just to put that into context right now, it is 2:34 in the morning. There are people walking their dogs around outside. There are people waiting for the bus. There are cars driving everywhere. Yeah, New York's pretty freaking safe.